Hello guys, welcome to Geek Squad Coding Series. I'm Vishali Anand and today's aim is making a tic-tac-toe game using Python. Let us now continue with our code that we wrote yesterday. Now first of all today we will make a function button click. This function will be activated whenever a button is pressed on our game. So define button click and parameters is buttons. Now inside it we will be defining some variables global bclick. We have defined a global variable bclick, a flag variable. Then we have player1 underscore name and we have player2 underscore name. And we have pb and we have pa. Now we will apply a condition. If buttons text, that is if there is written something inside the buttons, or we are writing here as if buttons text equals empty string, that is there is nothing, and bclick, the bclick variable, if it is assigned to the value true, then what to do? Then buttons text, if it is empty, then we will put some value inside it. Then we will put buttons text equals x. We will assign x to it, and bclick variable will be changed to false. Now player b, no, we have pb. So pb equals p2 dot get parenthesis plus wins, and PA equals P1 dot get parenthesis plus wins. Now after this, and we will not add anything else, and after this we will call our function check for win, and flag variable will be increased to 1. After this we will have elif condition. If this is not true, then we have another condition. So inside elif we have buttons text equals, again if it is empty string, and we will have and here, and then bclick is now false. We are checking if this is so, and bclick is false. Buttons text will be O. bclick will be true. And again we will call the function check for win, and flag will be increased to 1. Else we have the last part, the else part, and inside that what we will do? We will call tickinter dot message box dot show info, and in that we will show tic-tac-toe, and we will also pass the content as button already pressed or button already clicked. So this will be called when the button is already clicked, then a dialog box will appear that will show button is already clicked. Now we have something to check if the person wins, so we will have a function for it. So DEF check for win. There are many conditions, so I'm not going to write each and every condition. I will just copy and paste, and I will explain you each condition. See, I have made this already. I will just copy it and then paste it here. See, first condition is if button 1 text equals x and button 2 text equals x and button 3 text equals x. That is, if we have a case in which all the x are in the same row, then it will be winning for the person A. And if we have all the O's in the same row or in the same diagonal, we have win for player B. So it will be not player B, it will be PB. And these all are the conditions. You know, if you have already played tic-tac-toe game, then you may know whenever a person wins, what are the conditions, and we have put that conditions here. Then after winning, we have disabled the buttons, and after that we have called the function show info, and we have passed tic-tac-toe and PA. Here also we have passed tic-tac-toe and PB. We have disabled the function here also. We have the condition if, elif, and elif again. After that, we will continue tomorrow. That's all for today. Thank you and happy learning.